Now I'm all alone and my joys turn to moped. What do I mean? Let me break it down for you real quick. You made me feel like I'd be one less lonely chick. With all the calls and messages that you sent, I never would have imagined you ditched me for your guy friends. I'm trying to be honest too, when I'm confused because of you. I try to shoulder it and tell you I'm fine, but you broke me plus you. So I'ma tell you one